University of Kerala BA degree program in complementary course Political Science Model Question Paper PS 1231 Introduction to Political Theory. So first section la first question, which of one of the following is main function of legislature in democratic state? നാല് ഓപ്ഷനുകൾ: എ ടു എനാക്ട് ലോസ്, ബി ടു കൺട്രോൾ ബ്യൂറോക്രസി, സി ടു റിവ്യൂ ദ ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ് ഓഫ് ഹെഡ് ഓഫ് ദ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്, ഡി ടു ബിൽഡ് പബ്ലിക് ഒപ്പീനിയൻ. സെക്കൻഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, അണ്ടർ ദ കോൺസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻ നോർമൽ ലൈഫ് ഓഫ് Lok Sabha in India has been fixed at A 4 years, B 5 years, C 6 years, D 7 years. 3. Role of judiciary: A rule application, B rule adjudication, C rule execution, D rule making. Fourth question, on which country the system of rule of law is not prevailing? A USA, B Pakistan, C India, D England. Fifth question, according to Gandhian philosophy present day state, A believes in centralization of authority, B considers individual means to an end, C considers individual an end in itself, D is gradually decentralizing authority. Sixth question, which among the following does not come under pressure group? A trade union, B students union, C friendship organization, D peasant organization. Seventh question, who of the following is not associated with the concept liberal democracy? A J.S. Mill, B T.H. Green, C Lasky, D Bakunin. 8. Which are of the following is a feature of democracy? A referendum, B recall, C initiative, D all of the above. 9th question, which one of the following applies to political party system? It divides society in watertight compartment. It promotes national unity. And C, it discourages regionalism. D, it provides value-free political education. 10th question, National Human Rights Commission was formed in October dash. A, B, C and D ഉണ്ട്. അതിൽ A 1973, B 1993, C 1983, D 1963. 11th question, which one of the following countries has unicameral system of legislature? A India, B China, C England, D USA. 12th question, in which one of the following countries is plural executive? A Pakistan, B France, C USA, D Switzerland. 13th question, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted by United Nations on dash. A 20 December 1948, B 10 December 1947, C 10 December 1948, D 18 December 1947. 14th question, which of the following is not a feature of Marxism? A dialectical materialism, B historical materialism, C theory of surplus value, D ethical idea of state. 15th question, which part of Indian constitution mentioned about human rights? A fundamental rights, B fundamental duties, C preamble, D directive principle. 16th question, among the following which one is the third generation right? A fundamental right, B human right, C natural right, D right to property. ഇനി സെക്ഷൻ ബി ആണ്. 8 ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ, ഓരോ മാർക്ക് വീതമാണ്. 17, what do you mean by political parties? 18, what is bicameral legislature? 19, what do you mean by parliamentary form of government? 20, define rule of law. 21, what are the characteristics of political system? 22, what do you mean by referendum? 23, which are the major national and international association for protection of human rights? 24, differentiate between classical liberalism and modern liberalism. 25, write not on class struggle. 26, what is judicial review? 27, what are the different type of interest group? 28, mention the various theories of human right. Then section C, 5 ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ 2 മാർക്ക്. 29, explain the various function of political parties. 13, what do you mean by unicameralism and bicameralism? Differentiate between each other. 31, explain the dialectical materialism and surplus value of Marxian theory. 32, discuss the basic feature of liberalism. 33, explain direct democracy and its method. 34, write a note on Gandhian concept of Swaraj and trusteeship. 35, what do you mean by structural function analysis? 36, write a brief note on Marxist theory of democracy. സെക്ഷൻ ഡിയിൽ 2 ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ, 4 മാർക്ക്. 37, ഡിഫൈൻ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ആൻഡ് പ്രഷർ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ആൻഡ് എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ദ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് ഓഫ് ദെയർ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഇൻ പ്രസന്റ് സീനിയോറോ. 38, define political system and explain the Easton's theory of political system. 39, explain National and State Human Rights Commission in India.